On this episode on Plan D, Ryan builds a tranny mount for his Falcon.
Boom, we're styling.
Jared takes apart the LS.
34.
Stay tuned.
I can't keep it.
This is fucking surgery, dude. Well, I guess I gotta pull that cam cover off, eh?
Yeah. Then the cam comes.
I didn't bring the fucking cam though. Well,
You don't need it yet. This isn't a one-day fucking build.
why not? Deadline, bro,
I
deadline.
guess you could put the bottom end back together if we're gonna use the bearings again. Why'd you leave your orange peels in the ground?
Yeah, why did you leave the orange peels
Trying to get a slab?
Wait, fucking orange peels on the ground, right?
Boom.
Oh shit. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
Not cool, bro. What's that?
Oh!
Don't destroy the fucking cam bearing. Oh fuck.
Careful.
Oh, I'm literally seeing a chunk of fucking cam bearing.
Is it a boy?
Did you?
Yes, that's a boy, right?
Oh fuck, it's a boy!
It's definitely a boy.
It's a boy! Interesting. Okay, where can I put this bump stick?
Brian, what are you doing?
I'm welding her up, brother. Cause I haven't finished welding this.
I don't want to just hoard this in my shop for the next 20 years though.
No, drop it.
I'm gonna hoard it in my shop for the next 20.
Oh yes, weld me. Oh yes. Yeah, weld me right there.
Into the bucket of oil. Fuck yeah. Oh yes.
I got that one first take. But can you redo it for a different camera angle?
Get the fuck out of here, dude.
See all the sweet undercoat up front there?
So guys, we don't have footage of it, but we moved the Fox body out of the shop, moved the BMW back into its old place where it used to sit. And now I got an LS right here. We're gonna throw the bottom end, take it apart, wash it, throw it back together with the new cam, put the top end maybe together later, another day. But the plan is to finish this, go home, and on Thursday get some metal, then start making motor mounts and tranny mounts, and have this thing mocked up into place. So I can make measurements for a drive shaft and get a drive shaft, and then get an intake, get a carb, MSD box for the intake, little things at a time. And this is actually a pretty big step right now, just going over the LS finally. There we go, muchacho. That's the rear cover. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
There you go, 4, 3.
One is in the front.
One's in the back.
sign for the fenders and bumpers.
This is stop.
Oi!
Still history.
Okay.
Pull those caps off, Jerry.
Screwdriver again?
There might be a surprise in there.
I feel like there might be a surprise.
Take a look inside. Is my dick in a box?
What's wrong, baby?
A bolt.
10 mil.
Oh, fuck.
What the fuck is that, bro?
Is my dick in a box?
Oh, shit. Mix it up.
Nah, bro, let's just sand around that.
Oh.
Half pound Colombian in your thing.
Oh, yeah, I think that's a big bolt.
Half pound of Colombian.
Oh, fuck, that's disgusting.
Oh, you're fucked, buddy.
I think I have been. I think I've been fucked.
Why the fuck did this half come but this did? Like, that's like... Jesus Christ. Yeah, you want some right here, buddy? Line it up.
Get the fucking card.
Credit card.
My debit card.
Yeah, we get the money out. Get the bill out.
What?
Look, we're making lines, buddy.
We gotta see if it's A grade Coke.
Make sure you get all the numbers in on the card too.
Yeah.
What are you guys doing?
Yep.
Take the what do you do with the socket? Fucking.
Yeah, I don't know what to do. That's my question.
There we go. Yeah, I took this big socket right here and I just jammed it in there until it broke it out. Try it.
Probably depress the clip.
Ha! Ha!
Yeah, that's the easy thing. They tell me to work.
We're really tag teaming this whore.
Hey, you already did it.
Round of applause.
Those green handle Johnnies?
Fuck.
Trying to catch the fucking socket, but there's so much shit in there.
What the fuck is this? Like, how?
She's a real dirty whore.
Real dirty horse.
She's got some dirty holes.
You have to do a whole bunch of little ones. You can't.
We'll make an innocent girl out of her.
I don't know what that. Yeah, nah. Fuck. Jesus Christ, man. Just from this one hole. Like. It's like that.
Wouldn't be surprised.
Oi, fuck me! Yeah, we'll tip it upside down. You just stab your fucking screwdriver in there.
Fucking motor, brother.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Can you?
First try?
Second try.
I'm working on it.
Work it, Barb.
Work it, Barb.
See, why is this bad at getting stuff off?
He's never gotten off.
Wait, what?
I'm only in it for myself, brother.
Okay, chill. There's something else going on.
Most of the guys that do LS swaps, they just take it to a shop and they record guys at the shop like throwing a wrench on it twice.
Can we do that? One clip of like. Oh, look at the big pry bar. So obviously he's got the big boy. Break it. Break it.
Oh, fuck! Okay.
How you doing?
Yeah, so that's where all the other cocaine went.
Look at this. Favorite by default.
Whoa, that thing has definitely been sunk.
It's beautiful.
Dude, this thing's been in the bottom of the fucking freezer. Shit. That's literally sand. 100% sand.
This is why LSs have notorious oiling problems.
And what's that?
The cock.
Your cock's pretty hot.
Yeah, I had to wash it. That's some weird shit.
I was like, I was like, what the fuck is that sensation? And I'm like, it doesn't quite feel like water.
It's just the noise. Oh. Like, oh, I'm getting pissed on.
Like, oh, buddy.
How's it looking?
It's looking like a crank.
I think I'll keep it around.
Oh yeah, it's not even like it's not even gouged or scratched.
Yeah.
And I felt it.
Brand new. So what a joy working on stuff that isn't 30 years old.
Alright. Well, your fucking 350 came from 1969, so.
Is your truck leaking oil?
Ah, shit.
Some poke some holes. Bolt some shit up, bro.
Are you just measuring it right now?
Yeah. I'm using my eye chronometer.
Eye chronometer?
Eye chronometer.
Is that your eye?
Yeah. It's like giving it an eye alignment. Fuck.
Yo. Oh, my lines. Yep.
I just bent that fucker, dude.
Yeah.
Did you look up the supercharger shit for the Slant 6, bro? It is an oil pickup tube and a windage tray for the LS. So, washy, and then we're gonna install right here.
It's sad it had to end this way.